For starting games back with another video. And guys, today I am of course starting a new channel. So this is my new channel. It's of course going for Italian Gamer. Because my old phone is broken, so I've started a new channel. I've downloaded all these games and apps, so I guess we're gonna be quite busy with gaming. That doesn't mean that I stopped music. Now I was gonna tell guys you, but my phone broke, so I couldn't tell you. I quit music on my old channel, but now I'm doing gaming, more music, and I'll also be doing, let's see, vlogging and challenges with the club. So today we're gonna be playing Subway Surfing. I did not play this game yet. I wanted to wait till tomorrow. It took me quite a long time to do all this, but I decided it was worth it. And happy Valentine's Day, guys. Yeah. Now, so please subscribe to my new channel. If you already subscribed to my old channel, search up my new channel and exact same photo, everything should come up, and please subscribe to this channel. I'll be doing a lot more interesting stuff on my new channel than my old one. Okay, so we're gonna press play. My score, maybe we'll go up for I want maybe 10,000. We'll see. I'm just gonna play for a few bits and then just see what's up. Oh, double tap for hoverboard. You rock. Now go. Thanks. Okay, let's go. So, of course, now that I have a new channel, I'm the smallest YouTube channel in the club. So, but that's okay, because of course you guys will probably support me, and I hope you will. And yeah, pretty much I'm excited now to be back on YouTube. Oh no! Pretty much I'm excited to be back on YouTube, because this is my fun thing. I like doing this. I like to game. It's one of my favorite things. It's not the thing that I actually love to do, but I like it. It's cool. It's a thing that that I enjoy a little bit. And make sure to check out the whole other little club's channel. I might as well just give them a support. Make sure to check out Emerald Gamer. Just type up Jakub Kuczynski and then it'll show Emerald Gamer up. Biggest channel in the club, 35 subs or 36, I don't know. And yeah, just subscribe to him. He'll be really excited probably. So what else is there? Yes, and I'm also going to be doing slideshows now. I have an app that does slideshows. If you want, it's the Movie Maker. It's like this kind of pink thingy app. If you want, you could skip back towards the video and watch it. And see. And if you like, you could download it. I'm not saying you have to. If you just want to, that's all. No. Looks like my 10,000 score is not working out that well. I was just listening. No, I don't want a double. No. Stupid app. I was just listening to music, and boom. And then and then I said, oh yeah, Mobizen is now installed, so I might as well just create my new channel. And I did. And now, and guys, promise, this channel's staying now forever. Okay? Let's see. Can we hit 3 subscribers? 3 at the start. And then I'll do a special video. I don't know what it will be yet, but I might do a bath challenge. Maybe Gatorade challenge. A Gatorade bath challenge. Boom, ready. 5 subs for the bath challenge. 5 subscribers. And boom, you get the challenge. And I'll do it. So this, guys, is up to you. If you want me to go on Gatorade, then I will go on Gatorade. But for now, I'm just gonna now just wait. My dad's watching TV at the moment, and I'm just filming. Also, guys, happy weekend. I was sick, so I didn't go to school, but it doesn't. Hope you guys will enjoy your weekend. Maybe spend time with family, friends, whatever you guys do. The weekends, I normally just chill out with friends, or normally stay in for a time and then just maybe make a video. And guys, I'm going to be now making 2 videos per day. At least I'll try to. Yeah, 2 videos a day. So I'll do a gaming video maybe on this, and then I might do some Pixel or something, maybe Zombie Tsunami, or I don't know, whatever. And then tomorrow I'll release part 2 of this, and then part 2 of maybe whatever game I'm gonna do next. And then I'll just be keeping a series of everything. I'm getting close to 10,000. That is our guys' goal for today. 10,000. Or when I hit 10,000, I'll just go until I die. Whoa, 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 whoa. No! Says the guy. Nah. I was so close. Sorry guys, I didn't mean to press sad. Oh, I scored 12,000. It's not that I didn't actually fully get it. I won, like, because the coins gave me the bonus. But I don't want the bonus. I want to get it myself. Let's get the jetpack. Get that heart. Oh, I forgot the mystery. What the heck? Oh, I forgot to think. Damn it. Fail. F-A-I-L. Fail. I don't really know what else to say here, guys. Guys, in the comments down below, can you give me any ideas what I could do for my channel that you guys will enjoy it? Any ideas? Gucci, any. what name it, I'll try and do it. All I just have in my mind is vlogging, music, gaming, and challenges, which kind of pretty much is vlogging. So, but think you guys decide. Is there any? Do you have any more ideas for me that if what I could do for my YouTube channel? Of course, guys. These are not the all of the games I'm gonna play on my channel. After when I maybe finish the series, I will get more games. Now, guys, if you don't want the people, if you don't like the game that I'm playing, just leave it down in the comments, and then you either just don't want to watch it, that's fine. But the people who enjoy it, then those people can watch it. But if you don't watch it, that's not my fault. I'm sorry that you don't enjoy it, but that's not my fault also. You could either click on one of my other videos and maybe watch Pixel Gun or whatever other game you like that I play. Or if you just don't like them, then you could maybe watch one of my vlogs or one of my challenges. There's loads of other things to watch on my channel. You don't all have to watch gaming, but for my first ever video, I'm just gonna start gaming, and then I am gonna, just maybe then I'm gonna do a challenge with the Killer War vlog, or we might do games. I don't know, maybe we might do football challenges, or we could hide and seek, whatever, maybe tip the can. Who knows what we'll do? We'll see how we go on in the future. Since it's 2018, the year has changed, so. Whoa, nope. Come on now. Good dodged. It is quiet here. Whoa. Why did I? Oh no. Okay guys, looks like we're gonna wrap up this video today. So like I said, make sure please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below to see if you have any more other ideas. Anyways, peace people. Peace.